Hi, my name is Karen Calderon, and I am an acupuncturist and an energy healer in Houston, Texas. Today, I want to talk to you about why this winter season is so important to our health. So, the winter season in Chinese medicine is all about resting and restoring. And the winter season is also the time for the kidney energy system to replenish. The kidney energy system governs the adrenals, and the imbalanced emotion that tends to lodge in the kidney system and damage the kidney energy system is fear. And what did we have in 2020 that was crazy amount of fear? Excess emotion is very damaging to your system because accumulations of emotions block the flow of qi. And the flow of qi is essential to vitality and good health. It can be any emotion, can be anger, can be frustration, can be stress. All of these emotions in abundance or fear are damaging to your system. So fear lodges in the kidneys. And what it does is it constrains the energy. And the next season is the spring and the summer. And what happens in the spring and the summer is whatever seed that you plant in your soil needs to flower and come into fruition in the spring and the summer. So if we have that system hampered, the quality of your chi is not going to be the same. So the winter season is the best season for healing abundance of fear. And the best way to do that, I'm going to give you three different activities or things that you can do to help heal the kidneys from excess of fear. The first thing I'm going to talk about is any restorative, nourishing activity. So whatever's healthy for you that is restorative and nourishing, do some of that every day. It can be reading, it can be singing, it can be cooking, it can be catching up with an old friend. It just should feel restorative. It can be taking a bath. So do a little bit every day, and that will help your system restore vitality. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is meditation. Meditation is stopping, slowing down, and awareness. Meditation is one of the best things that we can do, especially in the winter, to help restore our vitality and to help to clean the conscious and unconscious mind of things that are not beneficial to us anymore or just never were, but are lodged there because they had to go somewhere and we didn't get rid of them when we did. So meditation is a wonderful way to heal your body, mind, soul, emotions of things that shouldn't be there anymore. And it's kind of cleansing at a very, very, very deep level. And it resonates with the energy of the kidney meridian system. The third thing I'm going to talk about is very simple: going to bed early, getting a little bit extra sleep in the winter, especially this winter, so you can restore your adrenals. And do everything that you can to make sure that your sleep is a good quality sleep. So you may want to wear blinds over your eyes, the blindfold, or drink a certain tea that may help you sleep better. Put some lavender essential oil under your feet. Meditate for 10 minutes before you go to sleep. There you go. You can get two of those things together. So my main goal here is that when you stop and rest in the winter, as does nature, if you think of the fields in the winter, agriculture, everything stops and rests. And from there, the birthing of the spring and the summer will be more full, will be more vital, will be more replenished. And this is a more important moment than ever, that we need that, so that whatever is new and wants to be birthed can be birthed with full vitality and replenishment and joy. So I just wanted to share these 3 tips with you. and the importance of why this winter is so important to restore our adrenals, to release the things we no longer need, so that we may have a more abundant 2021 with new things that will help bring the future full of beauty. So my name is Karen Calderon. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a beautiful 2021. Please thumbs up if you like this, share it with your friends, and subscribe so I can keep you posted with my new videos. Thank you.